Brother, picture this. You're stranded on a Boeing spaceship.
Okay.
Then you all of a sudden start hearing strange noises.
Oh, no. Okay. No.
Listen, this is a sound that was captured this weekend.
What the?
Screw that.
It's crazy because at first I didn't hear it. And then now I heard that one.
Oh, hell
it's
no.
like a movie, dude. It's like the Alien movie.
Yeah. You know what's scary? You don't know what the hell's going on in space, too. So it's like anything can happen.
We're not alone.
And you have nowhere to go.
You're stuck. They've been stuck, dude. That's the crazy part.
Think of the poor astronauts stuck in space.
I don't want to be in their boots. I don't
They're
know.
space boots.
Space boots. There you go.
So that was the pulsing sound from a speaker in Boeing's Starliner spacecraft, which was heard by NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore. And now it's reported that the sound has stopped.
I'm glad that he got the recording though, because they would have thought he's crazy.
Oh yeah, for
but
sure.
They're like, oh, you're hearing things, bro. No pasa nada. But he got it, and they're like, oh, yeah, I heard it too. Let me check on this for you.
And that they recorded it and everything. Now the space agency says that it has found a resolution and that noise and feedback was common.
That's not common. At least, in all my years of, no, I was kidding. That doesn't sound common to me, dude. You know what? What's next? They're going to say that being stuck in space is common?
Well, brother, it's looking like with these Boeing spaceships, it's looking pretty common, brother.
I don't like this.
I don't know. I feel like I get a little sketched out going on a Boeing airplane, hearing what all the stuff that's going on. Let alone a spaceship. You're going into the unknown.
I know, and there's things out there as you can hear.
Oh yeah, we don't know what the hell is out there,
Vaya con Dios, because I'm not dealing with that.
But what do you guys think? Do you guys think that this is common, or do you guys think that they're hiding something?